Hello, everyone. This is the first chapter of our lecture series. In this chapter, I will provide a brief introduction to the software that we will be using throughout the course STAAD.Pro. STAAD.Pro is a structural analysis and design software. The term STAAD stands for Structural Analysis and Design, while PRO refers to the professional grade program. It is widely used in civil and structural engineering community for the analysis and design of a broad range of structures. The software is capable of analyzing and designing various types of civil engineering structures, including building of all kinds, bridges, industrial structures, warehouses, and other related facilities. STAAD.Pro was originally developed by another organization and was later acquired by Bentley Systems. It is now owned, maintained, and continuously developed by Bentley. In this lecture series, I will be using STAAD.Pro Connect Edition V22. However, you may use other versions as well, as the interface and functionalities are largely similar across versions. When the software is launched, the open page of the STAAD.Pro Connect Edition interface is displayed. On the left-hand side, a navigational panel provides options such as open, new, archive, share, and help, along with access to license and configure settings. Within the open workflow, the recent section is selected by default. Below it, additional options are available, including project-wise archive sample models, verification models, and open other models, allowing users to access projects from different sources. The central panel displays recently accessed analytical models. Each file entry shows the model name, file location, and the date and time it was last modified. On the right side, the project properties panel is provided. When a file in the recent list is selected or hovered over, its properties are displayed here. Below this, the primary licenses and additional license sections indicate the current license status, including STAAD.Pro and any activated supplementary modules. This screen serves as the primary access point for opening projects, reviewing recent work, and confirming license availability before proceeding into model development or analysis.